I have a Pioneer mini split unit. The outside unit will not power up, but it has the right power going and nothing after that.
How long have you had your Mini?
Just over a year. Already had to replace compressor under warranty.
What have you tried so far with your Mini?
Checked power into unit was 230V, pulled panel and seen that the diag board wasn't coming on and the green LED lights that are usually on are not on.
How long has this been going on with your Diga?
Just started about an hour ago.
Anything else you want the phone expert to know before I connect you?
All was working perfectly fine until about an hour and a half ago.
Hello, do you notice a small transformer near the board? If you do, can you remove the secondary wires and test for AC voltages like 24 volts AC if it has, or maybe 12 volts AC? Thanks. Please ignore the phone service offer. It is not me who initiated but the site, but if you really want a phone call, please let me know. I only do phone call for USA customers, but Viber, FB Messenger, or FaceTime for customers outside of USA. Thanks.
It's now raining so hard here I don't think I can even find the outside unit. Maybe it will stop soon. I'm in Mississippi and it's hot and now it's going to be dark soon. How late are you answering questions? If it doesn't stop raining soon, we might have to do this in the morning. Does that change things?
What time do you have now?
It's 6:50.
Okay. I will be online till 10 p.m. your local time. Then in the morning, I usually log in 8 a.m. till 11 a.m. your time. Thanks.
Okay, we'll see what happens tonight, and if not, I'll get with you tomorrow morning.
Okay. Please stay safe.
Will do.
Okay.
It's been a struggle this morning, but I think I am ready to go. Not exactly about the transformer, but I know that there is 5-volt DC and 12-volt DC that are marked on the board. I have no DC power anywhere. What does the transformer look like and its location? I'm a 30-plus-year OSA certified auto tech, so I know a little about this, but you might have to head me in the right direction.
Might look like this dot, but the smaller one on the picture. It should be in the indoor unit, but if you can find them in the outdoor as well, then test them. Thanks.
Okay, does it have a voltage going in and DC voltage coming out? That's AC voltage going in.
No. The output voltage is also AC but smaller. Probably 12 volts AC.
Okay, going out to check. Poor phone service around here, so I'm going back and forth.
Okay.
Here's a couple pics. Not sure it has a big one, but I only see 2 wires on it. First pic. Customer attachment July 2, 2024 20:40 p.m. Customer attachment July 2, 2024 20:45 p.m.
Definitely not the first picture. It is for the inverter of the compressor. Probably it is inside. In the indoor unit. Then the communications wire will be the one to bring the DC voltage to the outdoor. Thanks.
This is a multi-split with 3 units inside. Each have 4 wires going to outside unit.
And all 4 units are running? Only the outdoor unit is not running? I'm sorry, 3 indoor units are all running with fans. Have you checked this fuse on the board? I just noticed this on the picture that you sent. Thanks.
No, I have nothing anywhere, won't even light up. Found wiring diagram. Would it help to send you a picture?
Okay, please send the diagram. Thanks.
Have checked the 2 fuses. I found both good.
Okay. Waiting for the diagram. If you can send it by section, I can just assemble it here so it would be bigger and clearer.
Customer attachment July 2, 2024, 37 and 53 seconds p.m. If that doesn't work, I will send it in sectoins.
It's a good copy except the upper portion were already cut. Please send the upper portion. Thanks.
This is all of it. I'll check see if there is more elsewhere.
Hello, the outdoor unit has no step-down transformer. Either you bring an electronic tech there in the site to troubleshoot the main board, or bring the main board to an electronic technician who can trace the power from the 230 volts AC down to the 12 volts DC on the main board. It is already in the main board, the conversion of the 230 VAC to 12 VDC and 5 VDC. Thanks.
This is in the service manual. That is all I can find.
I am sorry if it went down like this. I thought we can find the step-down transformer and just replace it, but it so happens that it is already in the main board. Thanks.
Okay, all is transformed in the main board, so most likely the problem is in the main board. I believe it is under warranty, so I will call Pioneer, see what they say. Was just trying to get it fixed ASAP because of the heat. Guess it's back to the wall banger unit. Glad I didn't get rid of it. Going to throw it in the window. Thank you for your help. It is appropriated.
You're very much welcome. Thank you for using JustAnswer. Please stay safe. Please do not forget to rate the expert. Thanks.
Will do.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.